In today's digital landscape, businesses strive to find effective advertising channels that can captivate audiences and drive results. Amongst the multitude of options available, YouTube ads have emerged as a compelling choice for advertisers looking to maximize their reach and engagement. My name is Alejandra. I'm a Community Management Coordinator at Whiteshare Media, and today I'm going to share with you the secret formula to making the most out of your YouTube ads. Our formula to success is composed of 3 simple but powerful ingredients. The first one is customization. When it comes to YouTube ads, it's crucial to tailor your approach to the specific objectives you want to achieve. Efficiency is paramount, and focusing on a single marketing objective can yield remarkable results. Don't fall into the trap of using the same ad across different goals, as it rarely leads to consistent success. In fact, studies have shown that over 80% of brands that tried this approach failed to replicate their achievements across various objectives. Instead, make incremental changes to your ads with a clear objective in mind, and watch as you unlock tremendous outcomes. The second ingredient is experimentation. In the ever-evolving world of advertising, experimentation is a vital ingredient for success. Don't shy away from exploring different creative approaches to discover what resonates most with your target audience. Contrary to common misconceptions, experimentation doesn't have to be a daunting or expensive endeavor. In fact, YouTube provides a built-in feature called Video Experiments that enable you to test various versions of your ads without any additional hassle or cost. By leveraging video experiments as part of your media buy, you have the opportunity to uncover valuable insights about what truly drives engagement, conversions, and overall campaign success. And the last component is the ABCD for action on YouTube. Creating impactful video ads requires more than just visually stunning content. To truly maximize their effectiveness, strategic structuring is key. That's where YouTube's Action Optimized Best Practices, known as the ABCDs for action, comes into play. By aligning your ad elements according to this framework, you can unleash the persuasive power of your video ads and achieve remarkable results. The ABCDs for action provides a proven structure for arranging the components of your video ads in the most compelling order. Each element is carefully orchestrated to captivate your audience, guide them towards action, and drive conversions. Takeaways. Maintaining a competitive edge is crucial for achieving success. That is why at our digital marketing agency, we're fully committed to utilizing the most recent technologies and emerging trends to assist our clients in accomplishing their goals. Thanks for watching our full video. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notifications bell. See you next time.